All the best. Most popular product on Amazon.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Do you love jogger pants? Do you want to find the best jogger pants for men that are comfortable, stylish, and affordable? If you do, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to review the South Pole Men's 1570 Basic Active Fleece Jogger Sweatpants, one of the most popular and highly rated jogger pants on Amazon. You'll see why these jogger pants are so amazing and how they can make your life easier. So, without further ado, let's get started. Before we continue, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss out on our upcoming content. And to all our existing subscribers, a big thank you for your ongoing support. The South Pole Men's 1570 Basic Active Fleece Jogger Sweatpants are a great choice for anyone who loves jogger pants. They have a relaxed basic fit leg fit, which means they are not too tight or too loose, but just right. They also have extra big pockets on each side of the legs, which are inspired by cargo pants. You can store your phone, keys, wallet, or anything else you need in these pockets, and they won't fall out. These jogger pants are made for comfort. They have a waistband with enclosed elastic, which means they won't dig into your skin or slide down. They also have a draw cord, which allows you to adjust the fit to your preference. The best part is, these jogger pants are exceptionally soft and reliable. They are made of a polyester that stays comfortable over time, even after multiple washes. They also have extra stitch details, which offer a whole new level of sturdiness. These jogger pants won't rip, tear, or fade easily. They are durable and long-lasting. But what makes these jogger pants really stand out is their versatility. They are perfect for all-day wear. You can wear them at home, at the gym, at work, or anywhere else you want. They are lightweight and breathable, which means they won't make you sweat or overheat. They also have a simple and elegant design, which means they can match any outfit or occasion. You can pair them with a t-shirt, a hoodie, a jacket, or anything else you like. They come in various colors, such as black, gray, navy, and more. You can choose the color that suits your style and personality. These jogger pants are the ultimate jogger pants for men. They have everything you need and more. They are comfortable, stylish, and affordable. They have over 68,000 ratings on Amazon, and most of them are positive. They have an average rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars, which is impressive. Many customers love these jogger pants and recommend them to others. These are the South Pole Men's 1570 Basic Active Fleece Jogger Sweatpants, the best jogger pants for men that you can find on Amazon. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you want to buy these jogger pants, you can click on the link in the description below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you next time.